Okay, so I just repaired this jet, and we're going to align the INS. Start back up. So we're started up, and as you can see, there's no heads-up display. There's nothing on the EHSD. And our INS switch is in off. So the first thing we'll do is flip our INS to ground. And as you see, you get this flashing 0000. No heads-up display. And our INS is not aligned. So there's a bug, seems like, where you have to turn your parking brake on. So parking brake is now on. And we'll go to data, aircraft. And as you see, we can enter in our north and east coordinates here. And every time you hit this position button, it'll switch between north and east. So we'll go to our F10 map, find our jet, put the cursor over it, and our north and east coordinates are right here. So 284508 north. North, 284508. Enter. And you see on the EHSD that it took in north. Click POS again to switch to east, and you'll see it's going to take east. So our east is 0510256. So 510256. Make sure we're on our jet. Sorry, it's going to be 510257. East 0515207. Enter. And you see it took our east coordinate. And now our magnetic variation in the Persian Gulf here is east 6.0. Enter. And you'll see the timer start to count up. So don't move. You got to sit and wait. That timer counts up to about a minute, and then it'll count back down, and you'll get your heads-up display and your EHSD back. We're on the CSG1 fun map, and we got to make some changes to this FARP to fix stuff. The guy's standing up to his knees in sand, and the Humvee's pointing the wrong direction. We just put this FARP in, so gotta work some bugs out. Alright, as you see, we got our moving map back, and now it's going to count down from about 100 seconds to complete the alignment. We got our HUD. You don't want to move until you get that counter back to 0. And there it is. So it looks like we're now aligned. So we'll flip our INS switch to IFA. Come out of data mode. And parking brake off. And let's see what happens.
Code 1-2. Honda, you are cleared for takeoff and ready. Climb 300 at QFE 29.65.
Alright, seems like it's working. Got our heads up display, everything's pointing the right direction. So that's it.